MIHIRA, the anti-dandruff shampoo you've been using, contains ketoconazole, which can be quite harsh on your scalp if overused. Let's try this new formulation. It combines salicylic acid with parathione zinc for a more gentle yet effective approach. Remember, consistency is key. Use it twice a week for a month, then reduce to once a week for maintenance.
Okay, but I've heard salicylic acid can dry out my hair. I have slightly curly hair, and it's already a bit frizzy.
That's a valid concern. While salicylic acid does exfoliate the scalp, helping to remove dandruff flakes, this formula is balanced with moisturizing agents. You might notice a slight increase in dryness initially, but it should be regulated. If it persists, consider a deep conditioner once a week.
Alright, I'll give it a shot. But what about my hair color? I've heard some dandruff treatments can affect hair color.
This product is color safe. However, if you've recently colored your hair, MIHIRA, it's always wise to do a strand test before full application. This product is primarily focused on scalp health, but it might indirectly improve hair texture over time due to a healthier scalp environment. Mihira, I want to walk you through what a chemotherapy day typically looks like, so your mind has a map of it instead of an empty space that might feel scary. When you arrive, it often starts with a simple blood test to make sure your body is strong enough for the treatment that day. Once the results are good, you'll settle into a comfortable chair, and the nurse will gently place a small intravenous line, usually in your arm. This is the pathway for the medicine to flow in slowly and carefully. The whole process can take anywhere from 3 to 8 hours, so it's a long sit, but you won't be hungry because snacks and drinks are usually provided to keep you comfortable. Throughout, the nurses will check on you constantly, watching closely to make sure you are doing okay. Now, about what you might feel afterwards, because knowing what's common can make it less frightening when it happens. Your body might feel a deep tiredness that sleep doesn't seem to fix completely, so please give yourself grace to rest without guilt. Nausea is another frequent visitor, although the team will give you medicine to help keep it quiet. Mihira, don't be surprised if food starts to taste like metal or cardboard, or if your appetite just disappears. Your only job during that time is to eat whatever you can tolerate, little by little, to keep your strength up. This is a lot for your body to carry, but you won't be carrying it alone.